If you're new to the world of Amazon FBA, you may find it hard to source products, especially when it comes to actually knowing the website you should be sourcing these products. The internet is a big place and you don't want to spend hours and hours trawling through different websites just to find out there's no profitable Amazon FBA deals on there. So today we'll be showing you 5 of the best websites for sourcing Amazon FBA products in 2024. And we'll keep the best one until last, so make sure to stick around until then. So let's jump right into website number 1, and all the deals I'm going to show you today are online arbitrage deals. So that means they are retailers, and buying from retailers and using online arbitrage is by far the easiest way to get started with Amazon FBA, just because there's such low cost to entry. You don't need to buy thousands and thousands of products. You can buy just a few and just learn the ropes. So the first website we have is from Boots. So I'm sure you're familiar with Boots. Obviously have a high street presence, but have a massive online shop as well in the beauty category. So I'll be showing you an actual example of a product for each of these websites as well. So this one is this Disney Cars Lightning McQueen. It has actually just sold out, but there is more stock coming soon. But this one was an offer for 4 for free. And the nice thing about Boots is they have such a huge catalog, and they're often running offers like this 4 for free. That's a great way to find online arbitrage deals, because that can be the difference between it being profitable and not profitable. So we can buy one of these for £14.99, but with the offer, that would put our unit cost to £11.24. Now, if we head over to Amazon, we can see that this product is selling on Amazon for £24. So we're buying it for £11.24, and we're going to be selling it for £24. So a really nice price difference there. Now, I'll quickly show you some of the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. So it's not a huge seller, only 18 to 28 units a month, but healthy return on investment, so 56% return on investment and £6.36 profit per unit. And as mentioned, this is one of just many hundreds of potential deals out there on Boots. It's a great website to get started on, and I'd really recommend to look at the offers they have on, because you can find some great Amazon FBA deals. And moving on to website number 2, and it's another large shop which I'm sure you've heard of, and that is Asda. This is a great one just because it has such a huge product catalog, selling so many different items. This product I'm going to show you is one for the YouTube fans out there, and it's this Mr. Beast Feastables original chocolate 60 grams, which we can buy for £2. If we head over to Amazon, we can see it selling for £6.99, so over triple the price, which is just brilliant. And a lot of people think you can't sell food on Amazon. Well, you can. It does take a little bit more prep and a few more requirements, but it's a great way to earn profit selling on Amazon. So with our buy price of £2 and with us selling it at £6.99, it's given us a return on investment of 131%, £2.88 profit per unit. And also look at these sales as well, 183 up to 377 a month. Now this is a variation product, so these sales are going to be split between the different products. You'd have to do a bit more analysis on this one, but Asda, another great website for sourcing your FBA deals. Now, before we get into the next website, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code which can save you some money on your Profitl subscription. If you don't know what Profitl is, we're an Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer, a DealFinder, wholesale scanner, and the most amazing Discord community. We'll make the code pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans forever, or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off. It's also down below in the description, so make sure to take that down. Now let's move on to our third product, and this one doesn't have a high street presence as such, but I'm sure you've heard of this brand, and that is Playmobil. And as you can imagine, toys, Playmobil, very, very popular on Amazon. So I'll show you an actual live deal, and this product here we can buy for £4.99. It sells on Amazon for £10.73, so over double the price. Hopefully you can see the theme here. Of course, we want the price to be at least double what we're buying it for. That's to factor in we're still making our profit after our fees. So what that means for us is 34% return on investment, £1.61 profit per unit. So we're getting 34% on this one. These Playmobil products are always nice for Amazon FBA because they usually sell pretty quickly, and they're quite cheap as well. So if you are new to Amazon, there's not too much risk involved with them. Now moving on to our next website, and this one is Tesco, the largest supermarket in the UK. Again, a massive catalogue of products, often running good offers as well. And this product I'm going to show you is an offer with a club card. Club card If you don't know what a club card is, you've probably been living under a rock. It allows you to get discounts on products. It's totally free, so it is worth getting one. And this product is this Lego jet, and the club card offer is any two for £15. So that means our unit cost is £7.50 each. So let's head over to Amazon and show you what it sells for on there. And as you can see, selling for £15.40. So we're buying it for £7.50, selling it for £15.40. And that is the amazing thing about Amazon FBA. People really do pay a lot more money on Amazon just because they're getting that Prime badge. They're getting great service from Amazon. They're getting the item next day. They know if they have any issues, they'll be able to return it for free. And that is why people love buying from Amazon and will always spend more doing so. Now, not a massive profit again on this one, but still above our 30% threshold. So 33%, £2.53 profit per unit, and 34 to 52 sales a month. And a lot of these websites today may seem obvious for sourcing online arbitrage deals, but it's all about how you're using them to source as well. So you'll see most of the products I've showed today have had offers on them. And if you are new to Amazon FBA, this can save you a huge amount of time when sourcing products, because what you should be doing is you should see what offers are actually on and focus on them products that are actually eligible within that offer, and it's going to save you so much time when sourcing your deals. So now on to the fifth and final website, and probably our favorite website for online arbitrage sourcing. And you may not have actually heard of this one. A lot of people haven't heard of this one, but it's a beauty website and it's called Notino. And this one is a great website for beauty products, and they have a huge catalog. They're often running discounts on their items, which makes them very profitable for online arbitrage and Amazon FBA. So this product is actually a little bit different. So it has got an offer on, so it's £2.89 with this code, but it's actually a pack of 2 on Amazon. So we can buy one for £2.89. On Amazon, a pack of 2 is selling for £15. So what we do is multiples of this product, package them up into packs of 2. So that means our unit cost is £5.78. We're selling it for £15. So you can just package it up using something like a poly bag, and that is your pack of 2. Now, running through the profit quickly on the Profitl Chrome extension, 66% return on investment, giving us £3.93 profit overall. So not a bad deal overall. Now, quick disclaimer, if we was actually buying any of these items, we would be doing a lot more checks on the data to make sure it is a good deal. There is a lot more that goes into it than just we're buying it for less than we're selling it for, but that's not what this video is all about. It's just showing you some examples of websites you can actually use to source your products. So we hope you found that video interesting. As always, let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make, but thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.